Wow. Ah, shit.
For hours na lang tumira, but it's okay because I have many things to do. I-delete ko lang rin ang video and I will say, hey, what's up guys, my name is Kishos. Fishing with Marv. Na naman, fishing me and Marv. Yes, Marv is right over there. Ayan, yan siya, naghahanap ng uod. I'll wait for him. Ako magabantay lang ako dito sa fishing rod and also nip. So yeah, back again with the loco looking. If it's a luck, if it's a bad luck again, I will change myself into the ordinary me. Not the loco. Sorry.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. Look at the top of his head.
Hey, pangit ni book. I look shit now. Pangit ni book ngayon because of my hat. For now, let's wait for Marv to catch a lot of fish. Shit! I mean, look at this. Linis na. Unlike before, like meron pa yung parang something dito na ano, na puno and stuff. So, ito naging ilalim na siya. Pero dito mababaw na. Right there. Really, man? Ang ganda na yun dito. Sa baba. I want to catch it. I'm gonna catch them all. It's not sponsored though, by the way. Yes.
Ano ito? Ano ito na, na element?
It's like electro.
Electro.
Yes, it's an electro. It's a leeway. Kay catching. Yes, go check it out. Link the description down below, by the way. Ah, yes, the rod of unlock. Makers of unlock sa Minecraft. Oop. Hanap muna ako ng spot for recording. Siguro dito na lang. Yes. Next time magbili ako ng pang standing. Dun sa ano, sa lot live. Dito ko na lang bilhin. Pero gusto ko sana yung malaki. Pero hirap kasi ba?
Tara na.
Okay, let's go.
Ating kapatid sa uod.
I only have 5 hours left.
Ating kapatid sa uod. Bakit anong ginawa mo dyan sa rad mo one time? Anong ginawa mo dyan? Didn't do anything.
You have lost the lead.
Let's catch up the day. I lost the lead already. But not.
Ben, nanalo ko ba? Yes. Ah, shit! Fuck! I was about to catch the fucking goby. Sayang.
Not going anywhere, you little piece of shit. A fucking gobe! Hey! Ang gobe! Almost hukad sa mata.
Hindi lang nga nahuli mo. Isa pa lang.
One. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to take the big one. Just like before. It's you. I remember one time that we catch a lot of fucking tilapia. Hindi ko nakabig one.
Kaya nga pa mo, makagat yan ng gabi pa. Isahan lang yan.
Can't see shit. Nawa pa naman siya buo. New species daw sabi ni Marv. I'm not sure if it's up. Okay. Wait lang. Yun. Tanga. Ganun ang skin niya. Okay. Dito na bagong spot. Manapansin rin daw si Marv ng malaking tree. It's like, it looks like a tree of wisdom. And merong bangka. And sheesh! Alright. O, saan yung mag... Ayun pala.
Another fish for the man.
Ano yan? Kapaitan. The problem is, where could I possibly take this spot? Good idea. Okay. Is that type of fishing? Okay, let's go.
Bawa naman ako.
Apat na sa'yo. And then I think of myself, what a bullshit your world. I see tilapia, paisitan, gobi, batiklas fish, and I think to myself, isa lang huli ko. What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong.
Ano yan, boses niya?
Ganun tayo yung boses.
Parang naglunok ng dilo.
Yum yum. Nagagayon. Wala pa rin ako nahuli. Ano masasabi mo? Can I touch you? Yum yum. Wait. Yeah, good pussy. Come on. Come on. May pusa pala dito. Man, wait! On the fucking dock. Right here. Subaru, is that you? Anyway. Sa tayo, men? Ay, kalayo natin mapuntaan dyan. Where the fuck are we going? Sheesh! A big goby. Goby lang pala. Fuck yes. 2. 2-4. So, it's a big one. Oh! Yay! I got the very small goby. Yes! It's a fucking small. Oh well. It's counted. It's fucking counted after.
Gantahan mo man.
Kita ko kasi yung malaki. Ayaw pinaksak ko.
Kantan mo kasi yung kantahin mo sa kanya, ano? I love you more than words.
Oh!
Yan, wala.
Mabigat.
Isda yan. Hmm? Naman tibas ito.
Kaya pala.
Hello, nasa gobi.
Ano, that's another problem.
May kanino din. Gobios? Di ba? No! Don't let it escape. That's mine, man. Don't let it escape. Put in it here.
Ano ba? Ito ba yun?
Oh, Gobios, Gobios, yeah, Gobios.
Obvious. I don't think it's or something else.
Ano yung kanina? Give me that.
Ano ka ba yung ito?
Ano yung kanina? Yung naglabas ang bituka niya. Paghuli ko.
Bakit? Saan ba ito?
Sa akin naman to. Yan ang sa'yo. Tulungan kitang ng kita niya.
Oh, I see. Hindi ka naman.
What is that?
It's a fucking goby. As usual. Every time you goby na. Unlike before, it was a freaking python. But I want tilaplaps, man. Okay, I'll take it on my score.
Anong oras na? Anong oras na?
It's already 2:26. No. I have a PTSD that I'm getting catch a fucking python. Yeah. Doon! Magdado ka. Pakya ako. You fucking piece of shit, man. Tago ka talaga. Hililin ako nito. Natahilong mo lang.
Ilagay mo sa malayo.
Bye, Marv. Anyway, I'm going to cut it for now. Marv is going to far away now. But for me, I'm going to take a break.